teman-teman, balik lagi di channel aku, si Buku. Video kali ini aku mau ajak kalian ke GIIAS 2026. Aku mau lihat-lihat mobil di sana apa aja gitu yang baru. Tapi sebelum kalian nonton videonya, jangan lupa like, komen di bawah, lalu kalian subscribe supaya aku makin semangat videonya untuk kalian semua. Yuk, kita mulai. Aku mau ajak kalian lihat BYD dulu. Kita lihat apa yang baru dari BYD.
Sekarang itu loh, Mas, rakit di Indonesia.
Iya, nah. Jadi lebih panjang. Ya. Nah, kita lihat ya.
Dari mobil apa ibu?
Oh, lihat-lihat dulu.
Teman semuanya, perkenalkan nama aku di Bandung Tasya. Tentunya kita akan seru-seruan ya di boothnya BYD. Jadi mungkin untuk bapak ibu teman-teman semuanya, kita akan ada kuis, ada hadiahnya juga. Yang mau ikutan main kuis semuanya boleh berkumpul di sini. Let's go. Ayo silakan. Mungkin untuk teman-teman tim sales boleh dibantu ya. Untuk customernya diajak main kahut, silakan. Kakaknya mau ikutan?
뜨거운 차 한 잔의 김이 천천히 올라가고 햇살은 목적 없이 마루 위를 기울고 나는 아무것도 기다리지 않고 그리워하지 않아 모든 것이 가득한 건 네가 같은 공간에 있기 때문이야 창밖에선 세상이 바쁘게 흘러가지만 우리는 그럴 필요 없어 내 손에 책은 한참 같은 페이지에 머물러 있고 가끔 네가 고개를 들어 이유 없이 우리 눈이 마주칠 때 우리는 아무 이유 없이 함께 웃어 잘게 네 말하지 않은 생각처럼 피어나고 하지 않은 말이 한
Ada TV-nya,
Oh, dia ini di sini.
ada monitor sininya.
Ya, ini sudah berapa kali?
Tiga komponen baterai paling
Aku mau cobain yang ini.
Gimana? Enak mana sama tower kamu?
Enak. Enakan ato. Enakan ato. Karena dia inian apa sih lebar banget. Ininya jadi nggak ada sekatnya gitu. Menurut aku kurang enak. Nah, yuk kita ke Aika.
One night dancing I might just fall in love I know the DJ and I love this song Me and you and the night feels so young Every single moment has led up to your hands up, oh, keep those hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, baby, and let's do.
Oke, kita udah sampai di boothnya Cherry dan ini keluaran terbaru Cherry Key. Kita lihat yuk mobilnya kayak gimana. Ramai banget guys. Ramai banget. Lihat. Ini bagasi.
Bagasi depannya lega guys.
Lega banget bagasinya.
Wanna clear a bottle of Cabernet. Wanna stay home, not even drink. Wanna get out of my own head. Wanna lay down, overthink. I wanna cry every tear I got. Put on a dress, be a stranger's dream. Lock up this heart of mine, wanna wear it on my sleeve. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't us.
Selanjutnya
My
kita
mind's
udah di
made
boothnya
up
Honda. Aku mau
too.
lihat
What's
mobil
killing me the
terbarunya dia.
most is
Katanya
knowing
ada
two
yang
things
mobilnya
can be
kecil
true.
gitu. Yuk kita lihat.
Wanna throw away your vanity. Wanna wear it to sleep tonight. Wanna wipe our slate clean. Wanna pick this thing up right where we left off. Wanna block your number, take one last time, make it another. Wish I was one or the other. I kinda wanna hate you, but I wanna love you too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. If it's black, it's white. If it's wrong, it's right. Soon as I pick one, I switch sides.
Oke, lanjut.
I
Habis aku beli
kinda
kopi,
wanna
kita
hate you,
lanjut ke
but I
boothnya
wanna
BMW.
love you
Yuk.
too. I wanna hold you close and let you go. Find someone new, and I wish it wasn't, but my mind's made up in two. What's killing me the most is knowing two things can be true. Two things can be true. Two things can be true.
I hear you been asking about me, where I've been and where I sleep. It's hard to find me if you really want to. Turns past that tactical sign. Same bobcat, same worn boots. Trying to outrun the thought of you, but in this town the truth don't stop. You can't live in a town this small. You can change your mind, but not your past. Every mile just feels like moving half. You can change my name in your phone. You can't leave in a town this small. I moved on, but not too far. Just down the road from who we are. You can change your hair, change your street, but you can't outrun the memories. Nah, I ain't mad, I just laugh sometimes. How love can fade, but this town stays mine. They say small towns can't be it. This can't be it now. Whoa, the bombs just never end. They detonate inside my head, tearing up my generation. Whoa, they fed us all alive. They retreat until they die, leaving none but a salutation.
Kita lihat ya mobilnya di dalam kayak apalagi yang dimasukkan aja semua.
To forget that we had empathy, clarity. Now every truth is drowned beneath the sea of vanity. Do you feel proud up in your tower built on fear and doubt? The sky is falling, they just smile, never call it out. Whoa, this can't be it, this can't be it now. Whoa, this can't be it, this can't be it now. Whoa, the bombs just never end. They detonate inside my head, tearing up my generation. Whoa, they fed us all alive, bury truths until they die, leaving nothing but a salutation. Driving down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biding your turn to go. Oh, I really should've known. They were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. God, your love was real, but it's down for us. Now you can't decide. Oh, oh, oh. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me, but was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. Oh, I really should've known. They were dynamite till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's down for us. Now you can't decide.